Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need the owner's Apple ID and the screen time passcode, or authorized access to the organizer account. Make sure iOS is up to date and perform a full iCloud or local backup so you can restore data if needed. Once ready, tap Settings, then Screen Time to access restrictions. This immediate step gets you into the control panel where you'll either enter the passcode or begin recovery. So do it now and don't skip the backup. Once inside Screen Time, if you know the passcode, tap Turn off Screen Time and enter it. This removes all limits and content filters. If you forgot the passcode, use the Recover Passcode option, iOS 13. 4 and later, which asks for the Apple ID used to set screen time. If recovery isn't available, you must erase the iPhone and restore from backup. That clears the passcode, but keeps your data if you restored from the backup made earlier. Make sure to follow prompts carefully. After turning off screen time or restoring, go back to Settings and confirm content and privacy restrictions. App limits and communication limits are disabled. This ensures all parental controls are removed. If the device was managed via family sharing, either leave the family group or have the family organizer revoke restrictions. If you still can't remove controls, don't guess. Contact the organizer to remove you, or reach out to Apple support with proof of ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.